Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have Globein for June. Do you want to know what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I just got Globein for June. It arrived in this big old box right about here. Now, last month, I had the best box. I told you guys, I think it's my favorite box. I was in love with it. I got the little llama, not really little, but I got the llama. I got the little wall planter. There was the cutest lantern. I mean, that theme was just the cutest. So, in that video, I told you guys I was toying between two different ones that I really, really wanted. But now that I have the llama on my patio, I really wanted the second one because it had a table. So I just gave you a spoiler. There's a table in here. I really, really wanted that one. So I already had it planned. I was like, all right, so next month, if that's the theme, that's the one that I'm gonna get because now my llama needs a table to sit on and looks like an amazing box. So I already had planned that this was going to be it. And then a few days later, I saw Kitty's boxes on her thumbnail said this particular box, which this is called the Enlightened Box, I believe. It is, yes, the Enlightened Box. So I was like, oh yay, now I can actually see somebody open it and see, you know, like what it's gonna look like. And now I'm even more excited to get this box. Now that I saw that she got this one last month. And I'm like, that's the one that I wanted. And now this is the one that I'm getting. So this is the Enlightened Box, you guys. Here is the brochure. This was sent to me for review. So thank you so much, Globein, for sending me another amazing box. You guys, everything is down below, but you can use SheCrafty to get 50% off your first month's box on any 3-month subscription or higher. So all that information is down below. Let's go ahead and open this up and see, because now I'm super excited. So here's the table. Looks kind of like a basket right here, but that is the table. Oh my gosh. And then of course there's more stuff in here too. So I am so excited. Globein is coming out with the cutest things. And I love how it's kind of like seasonal. Right now they have like a lot of stuff to do with plants, but there's still home stuff. There's so many different things you can choose from. And then they have their monthly one as well. So let's go ahead and look at this. Oh my gosh. And of course, it's my favorite color, you guys. So this is the cutest little table. It's like a little end table, and this is gonna go perfect in my patio. And my llama is going to sit on top. So this is the first thing right here, you guys, which is this little table. Again, it is super cute and it is teal. If you got this and you wanted to eventually change the color, you could always spray paint it because this is metal. So that would be easy to change the color at any time if you ever change the theme of wherever you're going to put it, which I think this is super cute. So this is the first item. Let's see where this was made, because in this handy dandy booklet with all this information has where it was made. So right here it says metal stool side table, handmade in India, you guys. And then there's a page of everything to go over this particular product. So it says, with this eye-catching design, this versatile item can be used as a stylish side table or a simple stool. Great for adding a pop of color to your living room or bedroom. So that's true. You could even use this as like a stool if you wanted, or you can even turn it upside down and use it as a basket. You could do anything with this. That's the neat thing about some of their products. Like, you can do different things with them, not just what they're intended for. So that is handmade in India, you guys. Already starting off to an amazing start. Let's go ahead and show you this guy now, because this is the next item, and then there's something else to show you as well. So this right here is the ombre brandy glass sunset. This was handmade in Mexico. So it does have the little sticker there. And look at that, you guys. It is like a yellowish, orangish to a blue teal. Super pretty. Definitely sunset colors. So that is adorable. And there's like a few little bubbles that are in the glass to give it a little bit of curb appeal. That is super cute. So you have a little brandy glass as well, which I could even use this as a shot glass or in any type of glass. But it is so cute. So this is the information that goes over the hand blown glass. And it says this brandy glass has a unique blend of color designs. They'll make any beverage feel like a delicious sunset. Super, super cute. Now, the next thing I'm really excited about, and once I saw this, I know exactly where I'm going to put them. So let's get this opened. They package all of their stuff so good. So I have it all like packaged up here. Okay guys, so the next item is right here, and this is the cutest little elephant bookend. So look at all the detail on there. So this is an elephant. There's the front of the elephant, and then here is the behind of the elephant. And then it's like bookends. You can use them for anything, but I'm going to use them to keep my DVDs up because in my living room, my man actually has like a wooden elephant thing. I don't know even where he got it from, but he likes it. So in one corner of the living room, it has like his wooden things, and then everything else is Nightmare Before Christmas. So in that one area, it's kind of like by all of our DVD rack, and some of my DVDs keep falling over, and I'm trying to stick things in front of them so they stand up. So now I'm going to use these in my little entertainment center thing to keep my DVDs up, and then plus the elephants will match with his elephants. So there's a reason that I really, really wanted these as well, because not only am I getting hooked up with this really cute glass, I have this really cute table or stool or whatever you would like to do with that. And then I have some bookends that are so unique and they're handmade. Look at that. So this is a handcrafted soapstone elephant bookends, and these were handmade in Kenya. These are just super cute. And even in this picture, they have it on the little table with some books. But here's all the information about the makers of these. This is so cute. So this says, these uniquely designed soapstone bookends will bring a little something special to your shelves or bedside table. The perfect way to display your favorite novels. So yeah, you can use these for anything. On your nightstand, on your coffee table, on your end table, on a bookshelf, on an end table, on any kind of, wherever you would like to put them. You can use them for bookends, like I'm gonna do to hold DVDs up, or you can just keep them together and have them sitting as a really unique art piece. But those are just so cute, the little ears and all like the design on the whole entire body. That is super cute. So that is everything that came in this Enlightened box, you guys. We have these super cute elephant bookends, this cute little cup, and this adorable, colorful, my favorite color, side table, stool, trash can, wastebasket. Put blankets in there in your living room to store, whatever you would like to do. Super, super cute, and I cannot be happier with both this box and last month's box. If you guys missed that one, definitely check that one out because I'm in love with those as well. So if you would like a little bit more information about Globein, again, SheCrafty will get you 50% off your first month's box on any 3, 6, 12-month subscription prepaid plan. It can't go on just the month to month. It has to be at least 3 months, and then you get the first box half off. Now, they do have their monthly theme, which you can choose that, or you can select any other theme that is available. It's first come, first serve when it comes to the themes, but you get to log in, you can see what it is, you can see all the items inside, and if you want to change it, you can change it, or you can say surprise me, and they'll send you whatever theme to surprise you. I just like all of the products. They are an amazing company. They go for different countries and utilize people's skills elsewhere that we would never find. So that's the other thing that I really love about this company. So one subscription is $40 a month. If you do 3 months, it brings it to $38. If you do 6 months, it brings it to $35. And if you do 12 months, it brings it to $33 per month. Their mission is to deliver joy by empowering and connecting remarkable remote artisans to mindful customers. We empower remarkable artisans in remote areas with the tools to build sustainable businesses. Providing connection and guidance, we help our partners feel stronger, more confident, and in control of their lives through the expression of their craft. As servant leaders, we improve the lives of our artisans so they can take great care of themselves, their families, and their communities. We help our customers deliver amazing goods in distant lands from the comfort of their own home. Through our delightful, useful, and vibrant goods, we offer our customers the means to feel well-traveled and culturally experienced. For our artisans in the developing world, we give their businesses global reach as we connect them to customers to share their extraordinary creations and inspiring stories. And again, this whole book, you can read everything about what they do, and it gives you more information, which is amazing. And that is this month's Enlighten Box, you guys. So that is everything that I have for you guys today. Comment down below, let me know, what did you think of this month's box? I, as you can tell, am loving this theme. Last month, this month, these have been the best boxes that I've got. I can see they're definitely stepping up their game, and they have so many different choices to choose from, and I'm loving Globein, you guys. Definitely let me know, have you got them before? Do you want to get them? What did you think? Let me know down below. Your positive interaction, it means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you so much for tuning in and watching this June's edition. And until next time, I'll see you on the next one, and keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. Until next time, Crafty crew, out. Bye. Are you ready for some Globein? As I am.